Hi, welcome to my multi-rotator system. If you've struggled online to grow a downline or earn some income, it's not your fault. It's because you haven't had the right system. And take a look at this. The first thing you need to do is watch this video. You will be shocked at what a little $10 company can do for your pocketbook. Okay? So watch this video and then decide if you're going to get started. Core benefits of this system is your link gets seen, you leverage team traffic, and our team traffic sends thousands of hits to this team system every single week. You're not doing this alone. You join from this page and automatically you're added to the rotator. That's how you get on the rotator, is by you join from either the red button or the green button. It's the red rotator or the green rotator, okay? And how to stay on the rotator is just follow our 7-day traffic plan. That it's only takes you 5 to 10 minutes a day to keep your spot on the rotator. Now, the red rotator, as you can see, is the basic membership, which is $10. Okay, you get placed on this rotator, and a rotator is just one link where it has team members sign up links on it. So somebody joins, they click the link, a team member's sign up link comes on and they join. Somebody else clicks the link to join and it rotates to a new team member's link, and then that person joins with that team member. And it rotates sign up links, okay? If you click the premium and you join at premium level, you get added to the green rotator. This is the green button, and you also get added to the red rotator, okay? So you get placed on both rotators if you come in at premium. That's more exposure. There's a lot less people on the premium rotator than there is on the basic, okay? Now, when you decide to join, it's very simple, 3 steps. Decide which button, which rotator you're coming in on, the green or the red rotator. And then watch for your welcome email that has the instructions, okay? And then you get placed on the team rotator, okay? The welcome email has the 7-day traffic plan on it. All right, now, does this system work? Okay. This system works. Promoting this little $10 company works, okay? Watch that 5-minute video that I showed you at the very beginning. I have pages of this, okay? This is a legitimate company. It's been around 27 years. If you have been in it before and you didn't have success, it's because you didn't have the right system, or maybe you didn't have any system, okay? So coming back here, this is the video you're watching right now. And then you click right here for these last steps. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to send an email with your GDI username and your sponsor's name. Because remember, you're signing up from the rotator. So the person that's in control of this system, this is their system, you're going to be sending them an email with your username and your sponsor's name so they can get you added. Make sure you have the email instructions with the 7-day traffic guide. And like I said, members, premium members get the extra exposure because you're placed on both rotators. Now there is easy step-by-step videos on how to set this whole system up for yourself. Now you can do that, or you can make an appointment with me and I can set it up for you, okay? Yeah, all you have to do is be on my team, all right? So if you've been struggling to get results, again, it's not your fault. You haven't had the right system. So choose where you want to come in where you fit in, plug into a system that is proven that works, all right? And let the system help you start benefiting from the team traffic and let the system work for you. Comment below any questions you have. God bless and have a wonderful day, and welcome to the team.